Hey guys, it's that time of year again. I have a lot of friends saying they've had sore throats, so I am going to make my yearly sage honey. So what I did was I just clipped the top leaves off of my sage plant, just got a bunch of leaves, made sure they were all really nice and clean and really dry. And I'm going to dump in some raw honey. I usually use my really heavy bottomed 2-quart saucepan to make sure that it doesn't end up scorching, because that's the main danger with sage honey, is if you have the heat up too high or you have like a really thin bottomed pan, then you might end up overheating your sage honey, which would stink, because then your nice raw honey would be cooked, and also you would lose a lot of the health benefits of the sage. So sage is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful for colds and sore throats, as well as honey, of course. But sage is great to add to your honey because it has great antiviral and antibacterial properties. So basically, it's like it cures what ails you, you know? So I'm just adding, I don't know, this is probably gonna be about 1 quart of honey total. And I'm just going to heat that over really low heat for a little while, probably 15-20 minutes. And the way that you know that it's done is by looking at the sage leaves. So basically, I'm going to stir this up so my sage leaves aren't all right on the bottom of the pan, but you can see them right now. They're kind of just like, you can see like the juiciness of them, if you want to say that, but they're just full and you know, they look like they're full of life, right? So when this is finished, the sage leaves will look all crinkly and dried up and not so full of life anymore, but all of their good stuff will have been infused into the honey. And then the honey is great because it is an excellent way to store these antiviral and antibacterial properties of the herbs, because honey stores really well. You can just put it in a really clean jar, close it up, and keep it in your cupboard. And my sage honey keeps really nicely for up to a year, or maybe even more, but usually it's gone within a year. So yeah, that's about it. I will try to post a picture of what it looks like when it's all finished, and I hope that helps one of you guys stay healthy this year and maybe get over some sore throats or whatever ails you.